Are you ready to learn about the game-changing events that will dominate the Forex market next year? Welcome to our deep dive into the key global events influencing the Forex market this year. From significant political elections to technological advancements, we'll uncover how these factors are impacting currency values and trading strategies. We'll discuss the UK and US general elections, ongoing wars, the rise of BRICs nations, the influence of crypto ETFs, and the burgeoning electric vehicle market. Stay tuned as we unpack these critical topics and their impact on your trading strategies and the Forex market in 2024 and beyond. The Forex market in 2024 is facing unprecedented challenges due to a confluence of global events. These events are not only affecting national economies but also causing significant volatility in currency values. For instance, the ongoing wars are leading to fluctuating oil prices, which in turn impact commodity currencies. Meanwhile, economic policies and political decisions are compelling brokers to impose stricter margin restrictions, leverage controls, or even halt trading on certain instruments like we saw in 2023 with the Turkish lira. Such disruptions are making it increasingly challenging for traders to navigate the Forex market in 2024. Let's explore how these global events are shaping the Forex market. Political elections in the UK and USA. The upcoming general elections in the UK and USA are causing substantial market uncertainty. Historical data shows that elections can lead to volatile currency movements as traders react to potential policy changes. For instance, shifts in fiscal policies or trade agreements can significantly impact the GBP and USD, influencing the markets. Ongoing wars and geopolitical tensions. Conflicts in various parts of the world are affecting global stability and economic performance. Wars often lead to increased volatility in the Forex market in 2024 due to their impact on commodities like oil. For example, tensions in the Middle East can cause crude oil prices to spike, which in turn affects currencies of oil exporting and importing countries. The rise of BRICs nations. The growing influence of BRICs, Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, is reshaping global economic dynamics. These countries are increasingly becoming major players in the Forex market in 2024. Their economic policies and bilateral agreements can lead to shifts in currency values, influencing global trade balances. Crypto ETFs and digital currency. The introduction of cryptocurrency ETFs and the integration of digital currencies into mainstream financial systems are creating new avenues for trading. This technological advancement is adding a layer of complexity to the Forex market in 2024 as traditional currency values are now also influenced by digital asset trends. The electric vehicle (EV) revolution. The rapid growth of the electric vehicle market is transforming commodity demand, particularly for metals like lithium and cobalt. Countries heavily involved in EV production and export are seeing their currencies influenced by the global demand for these resources, impacting the Forex market in 2024. Now, let's pinpoint the pivotal moments driving Forex market volatility and opportunities. U.S. election outcomes. The outcome of the U.S. election could lead to significant policy shifts affecting the USD. For instance, changes in trade policy or economic stimulus measures can either strengthen or weaken the dollar, creating trading opportunities in the Forex market in 2024. Middle East tensions. Any further escalation in Middle East conflicts can cause immediate spikes in WTI and Brent crude oil prices, providing opportunities for traders who can predict these movements accurately, thus impacting the Forex market in 2024. BRICs economic policies. Policy announcements from BRICs nations, such as interest rate changes or trade agreements, can lead to sudden currency fluctuations, offering opportunities for well-informed traders. In conclusion, global macro events are crucial factors to consider for anyone involved in Forex trading in 2024. Political elections, geopolitical tensions, economic policies from rising economies, advancements in digital currencies, and the shift towards electric vehicles are all influencing the 2024-25 Forex market in significant ways. Being aware of these events and understanding their potential impact can help traders navigate the complexities of the market. Stay informed by regularly researching the news. Learn new trading strategies and practice them on a demo account to be prepared for real market conditions. And don't forget to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Happy trading!